This one's still thinking there's time. College fests, fun, and Insta reels over career planning. And this one's applying left, right, and center with no direction and zero callbacks.
Hello.
Hi Jia, we have a good news for you. You are selected.
Oh, great. Thank you.
But we can offer just 10,000 salary for now. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, that works.
And this one is now settling for any offer she gets because she's not aware that there are better offers out there and it's the last year. You know what's harder than your college exams? Your first job search. And lately, I've been getting so many messages and comments from you all saying, I'm in my second year, I don't have an internship. I'm in my first year, I don't know where to start. I'm about to graduate in 3 months and I'm still jobless. Every job description says at least 2 years of experience. But it's for freshers. I don't have any experience. I don't have any skills. I don't know where to start, how to start. The market's too competitive. And honestly, you are right. It is too competitive. And you know what makes it worse? That right now, most of the students are wasting the most important years of their college life doing it all wrong. So you're browsing through 10 different websites, filtering out all the fake roles, applying to companies that never respond. And the worst part, when you finally get shortlisted, but the salary offered is rupees 10,000 a month. Barely enough for your Netflix and chill sessions, and forget about your groceries and rent. See, the problem isn't you. The problem is the system that most freshers use to look out for jobs right now. That's why in this video, your fresher coach Ishita, in this episode of Freshers GPT, is going to tell you why and how to use the only platform that freshers need to land real jobs without any experience. Yes, I'm talking about Internshala. And this comes from my own experience. So I'll show you real jobs, real salaries, and how to land one. I repeat, even if you have zero experience. So let's get started. Now let's address why this is such a big deal. So most of the students in their first year think, अबे तो बहुत time है. So they spend most of their time in college fests, binge watch shows, scroll through Instagram reels all day long and ignore the certifications, the skills and the internships. Then suddenly in second year, panic hits. Everyone's updating their resumes, everyone's updating their LinkedIn bios with core team members at XYZ company and posting Canva graphics like #work mode on. So you also start applying to random internships with copy-paste resumes, no clarity, no direction, and often no responses. And by the time you hit your final year, you're either stuck with unpaid roles or underpaid full-time jobs or just a lot of chaos regarding your job search. And this is where Internshala can help you. So if I have to talk a little about their credibility, and I'm pretty sure this much we all are aware by now, that Internshala is actually India's largest internship and fresher jobs platform. And right now they are actively listing thousands of fresher jobs across 1500 plus fields. That means whether you are into marketing, coding, content writing, finance, UI UX, HR, or even fields like psychology, sports, and statistics, there are real job openings, verified listings, and roles that don't ask for 2 years of experience just to reject you later. And the best part, it's completely free. No 499 premium access, no hidden charges, no fake leads, just jobs that are designed for candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. Basically, students just like you. So let me show you how easy it is to look out for internships and jobs on Internshala. So you can filter by location, like for example Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai or Hyderabad, or you can go completely remote. You can choose your domains like digital marketing, finance, data science, content creation, and many more. Want hybrid jobs or fully remote jobs? Well, there's a dedicated section just for that. And if you want to apply to only high-paying opportunities, You can set your stipend or salary expectations and see jobs that actually match your expectations. See, it is fast, it is clean, and most importantly, it is real, which is very rare today. And don't just keep on browsing. Go apply right now. And as it is all about the numbers today, so here's a data-backed truth, or you can say psychology. See, if you apply to more than 15 jobs, you can say, your chances of getting shortlisted increase up to 5x. So never be stingy in your job search. Don't just stop after 1 or 2 roles. Keep applying to all the jobs, all the profiles that match your skill. Because see, the more you apply, the faster your profile gets visibility on a platform, and so does your chances of hearing back. Now let me show you what kind of roles are live on Internshala right now. So you've got roles in influencer marketing, data analysis, social media management, graphic design, finance, and even product-based companies that are hiring junior developers. Big brands? Check. High-paying roles? Check. Work from home options? Check. Mass hiring? Definitely. And these aren't low effort roles paying only say 5,000 a month. There are actually some fresher jobs which are offering 25,000 to 40,000 per month. Yes, that's real. And like other platforms, they don't demand 3 internships or a resume filled with buzzwords. What they really want is relevant skills, a clean profile, and timely applications. And some of these jobs are closing within a few days. So if you delay right now, the opportunity is gone. That's why I always say, mark your calendars, create reminders, and apply as soon as you find a role that fits. And if you are waiting until the last date, that's a rookie mistake. People are applying right now, and once the slots are full, it's over. So make sure that you are an early bird. Now, if I talk about the platform experience, it's incredibly beginner friendly. You just sign up, fill your profile, use simple filters, and done. The dashboard even tracks all your applications in real time, like no messy spreadsheets or wondering, did I already apply to this one? So this needs to be your action plan. Step number 1, build your Internshala profile properly. No fluff like, I'm really hardworking and really punctual. Be clear, use relevant tags and upload a decent photo. Step 2, use Internshala's resume builder. Keep it just one page, super clean, and focus on what really matters in your field and no other fluff. Step 3, add keywords like Python, SQL, Canva, Figma, Excel, etc. Step 4, one of the most important ones, use your filters well. Don't just apply to anything and everything on the platform. Be strategic. Step 5, answer the application questions thoughtfully. And don't just write, I want to learn. Rather, tell them what you have already done or show them what you have already learned. Step 6, track your dashboard and follow up if needed. And lastly, step 7, keep applying, learning, and repeating. And in case any one of you is still wondering, yes, you can get an internship or a job even if you are in your first year. Just start small. And even if you get to do an unpaid internship, do it, but only if you're learning something real. Don't work for free forever. Your skills and your proof of work matters more than your college. So depending on where you are right now, if you are in your first year, start with one skill, one course, and one internship. In the second year, narrow down your focus and try doing 2 serious internships and build a LinkedIn profile. And when you are in your final year or third year or fourth year, use the fresher jobs section, apply to 20 plus jobs and start preparing for your interviews. See, Internshala is free, it's verified, and most importantly, it's built for students like you. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of it. And don't forget, you are here at Freshers GPT and I have got your back. So don't wait. Click the link, sign up, and start applying. This is your shot. Go grab it. And if you guys found this video helpful and want me to do more such videos like this, so don't forget to put a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments what are your views on it and what else do you want me to do for you. And I'll always be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep sharing it with your fellow fresher friends so that they can also benefit from this channel, as I am trying my best to help all of you with all your queries, and I try to cope up with all your expectations, and I hope that I'm able to do that even in future. So till then, As I always say, keep following along my content on YouTube. Until next video, keep learning, keep subscribing, keep growing. Bye.